Hi, in today's short video I want to show you some common mistakes which people tend to make while making tight space riding exercises. I am making circles here, but really you can apply the same principles to most such exercises. First, I'll show the right way to do it and then some common mistakes. Please notice that as I'm entering the circle, my front tire gets pretty close to the cones. This way, I'll have all the space in the circle at my disposal. Also, notice that my head is turned pretty much at 90 degrees. I am currently looking far into the distance across the circle. I am detecting cones with my peripheral vision, but most importantly, I am looking for the line for my front wheel, and I am also doing it with my peripheral vision. When you are just starting doing these exercises, you can watch for this line with your main vision. It's not a mistake per se, but it's always good to train your peripheral vision a little. Also, pay attention to your arms and upper body. They should be completely relaxed. Your arms should be bent a little to prevent any unconscious steering. Pivoting your chest into the turn also helps. This way, your arms will be in much more comfortable and natural position. It helps especially with wide handlebars. When you hear that scraping sound, it means you are at maximum lean angle and you shouldn't try to lean further. As you can see, if you are doing everything right, there is plenty of room in the circle. And now let's see some common mistakes. First one looks like that. It's when the student looks down on the pavement. For our brain, it seems like a good idea to look down, but actually it is not. Looking down doesn't give you any useful information, it just gives you a dizzy head. So don't do that. Look above the cones instead. Second mistake is also about vision. Don't look directly at the cones in front of you. This way, your brain can only see the cone and can't see any way around it. It becomes a mild case of target fixation. So again, look over your shoulder above the cones. Third mistake is about front wheel placement. If you enter the circle too far from its edge, you will probably run out of space a little later. So enter the circle as close to the edge as you can. Next mistake looks pretty similar. It's when you enter the circle too early. This way again, you dip the bike too early to the center and later run out of space. When you enter the circle, don't hurry, let your front wheel to track along the edge a little while. Next mistake is when you enter too slow, feel like your bike is tipping over and try to save it by sticking your feet out. And sometimes it is followed by the last mistake – panic front brake grab. If you just grab front brake on a heavy bike like this, when it's leaned over ever so slightly, you'll almost certainly drop it. So again, don't do it. Learn your throttle and friction zone of the clutch and recover tipping bike that way. It's much more efficient way. That's pretty much it. If you like these videos, please put a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and ask me any questions in my new rider Facebook group. Thank you for watching. Bye.